Are insurance agents today overlooking a critical customer touchpoint? Well, this study reveals the 5 barriers agents face in business growth and customer retention. Researched and produced by Empire Research Group and sponsored by Parkway Auto Body. Hi, I'm Damian Boroff, and I'm happy to bring you this executive briefing today. So being an insurance agent today, it's a rocky road. The percent change in net premiums written since the 70s has gone up and down every year. Those working in property and casualty are vanishing as well. In the last 10 years, the number of property and casualty agents and employees has dropped from a high of 608,000 in 2003 to a low of 533,000 in 2010. Yet, competition is heating up. 95% of insurance companies are projecting new hires in 2012, and 15% of those companies are projecting to hire over 200 new agents each. And the average claim is skyrocketing. The typical auto accident claim has grown from nearly $2,400 to $3,000 since the year 2000, almost a 25% increase. And not all shops are created equal. For every 10 auto body shops, 3 of them are unethical, and 5 do mediocre work at best, according to Edmunds. 75% of U.S. collision repair shops provide less than total quality repairs, leaving hidden damage uncorrected, reflecting poorly on the agents, because most likely these clients have been referred by the insurance company or the agent. And did you know 41% of auto body complaints are that the work wasn't completed properly the first time? So let's look at today's reality. The world of P&C insurance is a difficult combination of slow growth and heavy competition. Unfortunately, the claims and repair process may not make it any easier. So what are the largest barriers associated with these challenges? Number 1, failing to maximize business growth. Acquiring new clients is hard. Even with proven sales formula, turning touch points into long-time clients presents a challenge. More and more clients today are continually shopping for lower rates, and often consumers cannot see past pricing. Churn rates are also up dramatically. The market churn rate has increased, returning to levels not experienced since 2008. Today, 40% of consumers are switching to a new insurer, up from 33% in 2010. That means you need to go out and find 4 customers for every 10 that you have currently, just to keep your business even. Barrier number 2, struggling to retain current insurance clientele.
The insurance business is a very competitive business. It is much more expensive to acquire a new customer than it is to retain an existing one. So when claims do happen, and they are infrequent but they do occur, that is when we need to have the ability to provide the highest level of customer service, because the feedback from the client after the event helps build a strong relationship.
If the insurance company would have sent me someplace else and the service wasn't as good as it is here, I definitely would have made some changes and some to take care of that.
The industry standard is that it costs 6 times more to acquire new business than retain current clients. Losing a client means that not only losing present commissions, but renewals and referrals as well. Needless to say, the lifetime value of each client can easily be tens of thousands of dollars. Take a moment and say to yourself, what would your business be like today if from day one you never lost one client? Would be dramatically different, I'm sure. Bundled or unbundled, satisfaction is essential. Almost 60% of clients bundle their auto and homeowners policies. But pricing satisfaction is actually higher with unbundled clients. And unbundled clients, bundled or not, will lead to shopping around. So why are they shopping around? Well, research shows the 4 major reasons for shopping around are economic stress, non-cost related reasons such as ads, recommendations, and changing locations, the ease of obtaining quotes, and consumers are less satisfied with their current carriers. Looking at barrier number 3, the claims touch point. Claims are a big deal for clients. Traffic collisions are extremely common, and there were almost 300,000 auto crash claims in New Jersey alone in 2010. All these drivers would fill the New Jersey's new Meadowlands Stadium 3.5 times over. And poor claims experiences drive clients away. A recent study found the majority of those who shop because of a poor claims experience change providers. And satisfaction is found to rest on service and product quality. Problems experienced and the service quality is 50% of that satisfaction. These factors include facility environment, and consumers evaluate a facility based on its location, hours of operation, as well as cleanliness. A poor environment can decrease satisfaction. A filthy, cramped garage turns off many clients. Plus, it's easier for the vehicle to be returned messy itself. Dirty carpets, surfaces littered with greasy fingerprints. This only hurts the client's satisfaction. Barrier number 4, lack of knowledge on the restoration process. Many agents do not fully understand the process. Part of the restoration process is to become an exceptional catastrophe manager. Remember, your clients are getting into an accident once every 3 to 4 years, while you are the expert in this process. And clients demand smooth claim handling and communication no matter how complex things get. So let's take a look at some of the steps that can be missed. During the development of the repair plan, the vehicle needs to be disassembled to be able to view all the damage. Approval needs to be sought from the insurance companies, parts located and timeline provided. During the actual body repair, the repairs need to be made to factory specifications. During the paint repair, sealers, corrosion, protection, and primers applied, sanded and masked. Paint, base coat and clear coat, sprayed and baked on, then polished to factory specifications. The body reassembly. The involved parts need to be assembled and final adjustments made. And any airbag system parts replaced and system checked. Let's look at the last barrier, not knowing how to identify a quality restoration business. More agents are sending clients to the insurance company 800 number. Use of direct repair programs is increasing, and almost half of all body shops are directly working with insurers, not agents. This is going to cause the agents to lose this most critical client touch point. The restoration vendor makes an enormous difference. Poor quality vendors raise insurance prices and decrease client satisfaction with the service. Even if the claim goes well, it's not over yet. Business can still be lost and a reputation tarnished if an agent does not see the claim all the way through a restoration. Among claimants with low satisfaction scores, only 8% say they will recommend their insurer, and only 14% plan to renew. Remember those numbers. What is the result of these barriers we've shared? Well, these obstacles create a new complex environment in which agents must navigate. But there are steps agents can take to fully leverage the most critical client touchpoint. Let's share those with you now. Step number 1, capitalize on the claims touchpoint. Handling the claim right can make or break business growth. The claims touchpoint is the most critical because it is when the client is the most stressed. A recent study confirmed positive claims experience increases insurance policyholder satisfaction. It's a chance for the agent to really shine and improve the key metrics of retention, renewal, and recommendations. Education on the restoration process is vital. Securing an interest in the claims touchpoint requires an education in restoration. Regardless of what type of insurance is involved, auto, home, renters, the process should result in pre-accident condition. Step number 2, understanding the P&C restoration process. What is involved in good restoration? Clients are enduring a stressful time. Following a detailed path creates a smoother experience for them. Research shows that clients find the most important aspects to be an easy appraisal process, easy rental car access, excellent communication including updates, restoration done correctly and completed on time the first time. As you can see, the restoration process is complex. But paramount throughout this process is keeping the client updated regularly. Step number 3, identify a superior restoration business. What does a professional superior auto restoration vendor do that others do not? Well, they exemplify honest, frequent, and courteous communication, provides high-quality, cost-effective repairs in a timely manner, possesses the latest knowledge and technology including factory paint matching, offers easy car rentals, equipped to fully restore using manufacturer's measurements, has built long-term relationships with insurance providers, employs highly skilled and experienced technicians, and has a convenient, clean, and pleasing location. Step number 4, create a partnership with a true restoration professional. The relationship can be a unique differentiator for P&C agents today. In an industry as commoditized as the P&C insurance, there are very few ways for the agents to differentiate themselves, and having a superior claims and repair process is a UVP for agents. Improving client retention. An expertly conducted claim and repair is a UVP that results in both new and loyal clients. Maintaining business growth. These agents stand out to their clients, whether they have bundled products or not, or whether they're shopping around or not. Boosting client satisfaction. By taking advantage of this crucial touch point, agents also save their own time, money, and reputation. We hope you learned valuable information today, because in today's insurance industry, it is of utmost importance for agents to know how to foster a successful claim and restoration process. Remember, when choosing a restoration partner, not all vendors are created equal. Again, this study was sponsored by Parkway Auto Body, and if it's okay, I'd like to take 3 minutes of your time to give you an overview of how Parkway Auto Body addresses the issues presented in this briefing. Introducing Parkway Auto Body. Why do we do what we do? Well, Parkway Auto Body has been in business for over 55 years, family owned throughout the entire time. We have aimed to produce excellence in auto body service for the tri-state area, and we strive to fully assist property and casualty insurance businesses and their agents. Our goal is to provide an incredible claims experience for their clients. How do we do it? Our longevity and reputation go hand in hand. We believe strongly that pleased clients grow business. We greatly value that business, property, and casualty insurance agents bring. So what sets us apart? We have created a professional, pleasing environment with a large, clean office space and repair area versus the small, grimy garage environment. We have an on-site company-owned rental vehicle fleet. Clients are out of our office and back to their daily routine in minutes. We do it right the first time. The client does not return to their agent displeased. There is no hassle for the agent or damage to their reputation. There is no risk of losing a client during the restoration, as opposed to the industry average. So what do our clients say about us? A number of them volunteered to share that with us, and here they are, unscripted.
Fast service, car came out beautiful, and everybody was a pleasure to work with.
I had nothing to say but good things. They did a great job.
From start to finish, it was a great experience. They made it very, very simple and easy to get in. They communicated with me through the whole process, and they delivered my vehicle to me when they said they would.
When you come here, it is so neat and clean, it's like an operating room.
So what's the next step? We'd love to have you come in here for a personal guided tour of our amazing facility right here in Nutley. If that's not convenient, I'll be happy to email you a brief video tour presented by our owner, Glenn Villicari. Either way, we appreciate you taking the time to learn how Parkway Auto Body can partner with you to create the ultimate client experience. Till we meet in person, I'm Damian Boroff. Thanks again for watching.